Good morning, everyone, and a warm welcome to all of you. I'm delighted to have the opportunity to present today. Today, we will be exploring the topic of quality management system, Part II. This is a foundational session that will help us understand the key aspects of quality management in our organizations. In the next few minutes, I'll be guiding you through the main concepts, principles, and practices that underpin effective quality management systems. So, let's get started and make this session both informative and engaging. Let's talk about quality risk management. This is a crucial aspect of ensuring that our products meet the highest standards. Essentially, it involves identifying potential risks that could affect quality and then systematically managing those risks to prevent issues. The key points here are being proactive and thorough, anticipating problems before they happen and addressing them effectively. By doing this, we not only protect the integrity of our products, but also maintain compliance with industry regulations. This concept ties directly into the overall theme of continuous improvement and ensuring patient safety. So, implementing robust risk management processes helps us deliver reliable, safe, and effective products every time. Manufacturers should prioritize managing quality risks throughout their processes. Quality risk management, or QRM, is a systematic approach that helps us assess, control, communicate, and review risks that could impact the quality of the medicinal product. It's not a one-time activity. It's an ongoing process that ensures we stay vigilant. QRM can be applied both proactively, meaning we identify and mitigate risks before they cause issues, and retrospectively, which involves analyzing past problems to prevent future occurrences. It's important to base our QRM on solid scientific knowledge and our experience with the process. This scientific foundation helps us make informed decisions and maintain consistency. Most importantly, QRM should always be linked to the protection of the patient. Our ultimate goal is to ensure that every product we deliver is safe, effective, and of the highest quality. By integrating QRM into our quality systems, we reinforce our commitment to patient safety and product integrity. Now, let's take a closer look at the cycle of quality risk management. It's a continuous process that involves assessment, control, communication, and review. Each step is crucial to ensure that we effectively identify and mitigate risks throughout the product lifecycle. When we talk about assessment, it's important to use the right tools to analyze potential risks thoroughly. Some of the key tools include fault tree analysis, which helps us understand the root causes of failures. Then there's hazard and operational studies, or HAZOP, which is great for identifying hazards during processes. Failure mode and effect analysis, or FMEA, allows us to evaluate potential failure modes and their impacts. We also have hazard analysis and criticality analysis, known as HACCP, especially useful in food safety and other critical areas. FMECA, or failure mode, effect, and criticality analysis, combines elements of FMEA and HACCP for a comprehensive risk view. Using these tools helps us make informed decisions during risk assessment, which is essential for maintaining quality and safety. Remember, the goal of quality risk management is not just to identify risks, but to control them effectively, communicate findings clearly, and review our strategies regularly to improve continuously. This cycle keeps our processes resilient and aligned with our overall quality objectives. Let's talk about failure mode effect analysis, or FMEA for short. The first step is breaking down the process into manageable steps, so we can analyze each part thoroughly. It's really important to have a good understanding of both the process and the product before we dive into identifying potential failures. Next, we evaluate how each failure mode could impact the overall outcome. This helps us prioritize what needs attention most urgently. Once we identify these potential failures, we consider different strategies to address them, eliminating the cause if possible, containing the issue, reducing its likelihood, or controlling it to prevent impact. Remember, key to this process is identifying the mode of failure, its cause, and the resulting effect. This systematic approach helps us manage risks effectively and ensures quality. That's where quality risk management comes into play. By assessing and controlling risks, we can improve product reliability and process robustness. Overall, FMEA is a powerful tool to proactively identify and mitigate risks, keeping our focus on delivering quality in every step. Now, let's talk about regular, periodic, or rolling quality reviews of all medicinal products. These reviews are typically conducted on an annual basis, ensuring that we stay on top of product quality over time. The main goal here is to verify the consistency of our existing processes, making sure everything remains reliable and predictable. It's also about assessing whether our current specifications for both starting materials and finished products are still appropriate and fit for purpose. This helps us catch any deviations early and confirm that our quality standards are maintained. Another key point is identifying trends, looking for patterns or shifts that could indicate potential issues before they become serious. By doing this, we can proactively implement product and process improvements, ensuring continuous quality enhancement. This process, known as Product Quality Review or PQR, is a vital part of our overall quality management system. It helps us maintain high standards, ensure compliance, and ultimately deliver safe and effective medicines to patients. Let's now discuss what should be included in the Product Quality Review, or PQR. First, it's essential to review the starting materials and packaging materials, especially those sourced from new suppliers. This helps ensure that all inputs meet quality standards and haven't introduced any new risks. Next, we need to look at critical in-process controls and the results from finished product testing. These controls are vital for confirming that each batch meets specifications throughout production. We should also examine all batch failures, including the investigations that followed. Understanding the root causes helps us prevent similar issues in the future. Additionally, any deviations or nonconformances, along with their investigations and corrective and preventive actions, CAPAs, must be thoroughly reviewed. Another important aspect is tracking all changes made to processes or analytical methods. Documenting these changes ensures ongoing control and compliance. We also need to review any dossier variations that have been submitted, whether they were granted or refused, to understand their impact on product quality. Furthermore, the results of the stability monitoring program are crucial, especially noting any adverse trends that could affect product shelf life or efficacy. By systematically reviewing all these areas, the PQR provides a comprehensive picture of product quality and helps us identify continuous improvement opportunities. This process ties directly into our overall commitment to quality and compliance. Let's now discuss the importance of reviewing the results. It's essential to assess whether we need to undertake CAPA or revalidation based on the findings. Ensuring that CAPA has been completed in a timely and effective manner is crucial, and this should be verified to confirm that all issues are properly addressed. We can also consider grouping product types to streamline our review process. When working with contracted parties, it's important to have clear agreements in place to maintain quality standards. The Product Quality Review, or PQR, should be conducted promptly and verified for accuracy to ensure it provides a true reflection of product performance. We should also review quality-related returns, complaints, recalls, and the investigations associated with them, as these can highlight potential areas for improvement. Additionally, evaluating the adequacy of previous corrective actions on products, processes, or equipment helps us prevent recurring issues. Post-marketing commitments need to be monitored to ensure ongoing compliance and product safety. It's also vital to verify the qualification status of relevant equipment and utilities, confirming they remain suitable for their intended use. Technical agreements should be reviewed regularly to ensure all parties are aligned and maintaining their responsibilities. Finally, the Product Quality Review, or PQR, ties everything together. It's a comprehensive assessment that helps us ensure consistent product quality and supports continuous improvement. All these elements are interconnected and vital in maintaining our overall quality management system. When inspecting the Product Quality Review, or PQR, it's important to also verify several key aspects. First, we need to check the correctness of the data transferred, making sure the information has been accurately carried over without errors. Next, we look at the trending of results over time to identify any patterns or deviations that could indicate potential issues. If applicable, we should also evaluate calculations such as the Process Capability Index, CPK, which helps us understand how well the process performs relative to specifications. It's crucial to ensure that these calculations are correct and meaningful. Additionally, we need to assess the accuracy of reflected data, including APIs used, approved suppliers, the number of batches produced, variations observed, changes implemented, and any complaints received. All these elements contribute to a comprehensive understanding of product quality. Finally, we review CAPAs, corrective and preventive actions, and draw conclusions based on all these findings. This thorough review of the PQR allows us to maintain high standards, identify areas for improvement, and ensure consistent product quality across all processes. For further support, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you with any questions or additional information you may need. Remember, your success is our priority, so feel free to contact us at any time. And with that, I want to sincerely thank you for your time and attention today. We appreciate your interest and participation, and we look forward to supporting you on your journey. Thank you again.